Stamping in troughs, swirling synths and subtle shamanic cans echo in the distance. Deep, slow tribal kick with reverb gives a sense of space. Rising synth growls, reverse effects, and cookie percussive cooks build tension. Enter through the vortex, where time has no meaning. A sharp stinger sound. The kick evolves into a sharp, punchy fourth or thumb, a cushy layer sealing with rattle shears and metallic clicks. Awaken, awaken, through the stars past the edge of dreams. Gravity breaks, reality screams. Spirals of energy, colors collide. Open your mind, let the rhythm decide. Through the stars past the edge of dreams. Gravity breaks, reality screams. Spirals of energy, colors collide. Open your mind, let the rhythm decide. Through the stars past the edge of dreams. Gravity breaks, reality screams. Spirals of energy, colors collide. Open your mind, let the rhythm decide. Through the stars past the edge of dreams. Gravity breaks, reality screams. Spirals of energy, colors collide. Open your mind, let the rhythm decide. Open your mind. Open your mind. Open your mind. Open your mind. All the good for ascension, free energy. Oh, oh, oh. The baseline becomes a rolling, galloping pattern with a fast 140 photo 30 deep of the Symbian temple. The Symbian temple. Infinite vortex. Infinite vortex. Vortex. Tribal king with reverb gives a sense of space. Vortex. Vortex. Prepare for ascension. Vortex who won. But the hypnotic rhythm stays strong. The baseline shifts to a more pulsing walk crew. Shamanic chanting moving in unpredictable patterns. Om Namah, Om Namah, Om Namah. The light of the moon calling the flame. Dancing with shadows, no one is the same. Falling deeper into the spiral unknown. Lose control, feel the power you've grown. Pulsars, reverse symbols, and glitch effects fill the sound. All systems engaged. Prepare for maximum impact. Pitch rises, white noise grows louder at 9. Brace yourself. 3, 2,